And what we are going to do today? Yes, ma'am will give you the instructions how you have to complete your worksheet. But before that, you have to start your day with prayer. So join your hands, close your eyes and start with me. Thank you, God, for the words so sweet. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for everything. Happy morning. And you all are doing well, right? आप सब ठीक हैं? Okay. Yes. So let's see how you have to do your worksheet. आपको मैम ने वर्कशीट दिया है ना? सब लोग निकालेंगे अपना अपना वर्कशीट और देखिए कैसे इसमें लिखना है. Come on, I will show you. This is your worksheet. All of you note. Yes, you all can have a look. Okay. So, what is the first question in your worksheet? Write small cursive letters. Write small cursive letters A to Z in 4 lines paper. So, how you have to do is, you have to take your 4 lines notebook. Yes, you all are having with you. In this page, you have to write small cursive A to Z. Yes, you have this pin page with you, so you can write in this paper. Okay, now let's see what's next. The question 2 is write the missing letters. सबको आता है ना? Yes, Dania, is it clear to you? A. What is this? The first letter is A. A के बाद क्या आता है? Who will tell me? Yes, you, yes, Chawda. आप बताएंगे? Okay. It will come over here. B. A, B, C. Then what comes after C? You have to write D. Correct. E. I have already done. Now what is this? H. What comes after H? It's I. Ice cream. I, igloo. Then J is there. What comes after J? It's K. Then L is already there. Now you have to do likewise. उसके नीचे भी हैं, आप करते जाएंगे. Come towards the next side of the line. What comes after K? It's L. M के बाद N. And O is already there. Now what is here? Who will tell me? Yes, it's D. Then comes E. Okay. F. And G. H is already there. So this way you have to do your question number 2. Now question number 3 is copy down the 2-letter words in 4 lines paper. Now again ma'am will show you how it is. This is your worksheet. Yes, you all have in your hand. Over here it's written ANN. So you have to write in your 4 lines notebook over here ANN and the page. Okay. इधर lines draw करेंगे. Parents kindly note. आप 4 lines draw करके देंगे इस पेज पे और बच्चों को यहाँ पर ANN and so on जितने words हैं उतने lines आप draw करके दीजिएगा. आपको समझ में आ रहा है मैम क्या बोल रहे हैं? Okay, so come to the next. Ma'am will show you how you have to perform your question number 4. Are you all ready? Come on. So you have to see how you have to do your question number 4. How you will do? It's circle the correct letter for the picture. You have to circle, right? आपको circle करना है correct picture के साथ में correct letter को देख के. अच्छा, who will tell me what about this? कौन सा picture है ये? Yes, it's hut. So A hut, no. I her hut, no. It's H her hut. So you have to circle the letter H. Got it, children? Now what about this picture? कौन बोलेगा? Yes, this is the picture of ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for I. Got it, children? Now see, what about the question number 5 is coming up with? It's match the letter with the picture. So, the letters are over this side and the pictures are over this side. You have to do it. Okay, that's very nice. Yes, you all are ready for it. A says duck. No. A says apple. Yes. D says apple. No. D says duck. Yes. And so on. बाकी का आप खुद ही करेंगे. Right? So let's see how you have to do in your worksheet. Ma'am will show you. Yes, this is your worksheet. You all are having your worksheet with you. Yes, this is hut, ice cream, ball and mango. Right? And A, D, L, N. Yes, it's L, leaf. No, it's L. Okay, you all are very much well versed with it. It's S, sun. Correct. So now you have to turn your worksheet and let's see what is there in the question number 6. Ma'am will show you. Come on. So you have to see how it is. Question number 6. Are you all ready? Yes. Write the first letter in small cursive for the given picture. आपको पहला लेटर स्मॉल कर्सिव में लिखना है पिक्चर को देख के. Now who will tell me which picture is this? Yes, it's cat. Cat says meow meow. So cat के लिए हम कौन सा लेटर फर्स्ट लेते हैं? Come on, phonic sounds. Cat. C. So you have to write the small cursive letter C over here. Now, yes, it's bat. So which letter? B. Come on, the right small letter B, and so on. Now move on to the question number 7. It's complete the words with A and I. You have to complete this word with the help of A or I. क्या लगेगा? CIT? No. CAT? Yes, it's CAT, cat. So you have to write over here A. Then P, and you have done the blank over here, and N. Now PAN, pen is also right, and PIN, pin is also right. So you have both the options. It's up to you. So you can write PIN, pin, or PAN, pan. Both are the correct word. Okay, children? Move on to the question number 8. It's spell and write the new word. You have to spell and you have to make the new word. How it is? Which is this letter? It's C, and here it is A and T. A, T. K, A, T. Cat. So you will write C, A, T, cat. Right? The next word is, next letter is B. B, A, T. Bat. So you have to write B, A, T. Bat. The next letter is H. H, A, T. You have to join all the three together and it becomes hat. So H, A, T, hat. Now you want to see how you have to do in your worksheet. Ma'am will show you. Here is your worksheet. You all have your worksheet with you. It's cat, bat, hat and mat. Okay. And question number 7. It's C-T. So you have to fill it with A or I. And question number 8. You have to spell and write it. Right, children? Now move on to the question number 9. Ma'am will show you how it is. Come on. So you have to do your question number 9 like this way. It's fill in the blanks. Right? The word you have written CAT, cat, you all remember? The same way over here. Ma'am has given you C and T. You have to complete it with A. So CAT, cat. What is the next one? You can write HIP, hip, or HOP, hop. Up to you. HAT, hat. Right? MOP, mop, and MAP, map also you can write. It's P P-O-T, pot. M-A-N, man. F-A-N, fan. And M-A-N again, men. You can form many words like this way, and it's very easy. The 3-letter word are magic words, right? So you have to finish it off your worksheet like this way. And the last one but not the least, it's question number 9, and you have to do it with the fill in the blanks. Till we meet you in the next class, you have to finish your worksheets on time. Take care, stay safe.